back room over there. This is the bathroom. I'm just getting a little video. This is the front guest bedroom. Huh?
Only guest bedroom.
Yeah, I guess. And then this is the master. Closet doors. And you got a closet on either side in the hallway here. And then this is the master bath. And shower. Big shower, actually. Hi. Okay, that's your bedroom there. Back out. Living room, they put the big high ceiling in. This didn't used to be here. It's nice. This is the kitchen. Nice high ceilings. Dining room. Living room. Beautiful light. Hi. That's cute. I forgot the ceiling was high out here. This would be a third bedroom. The porch. You can see the water over there. So it's all water. And there you go. I'm not sure where Jim went.
I hear bathroom already. He might be trying the waters out.